Come on. Sha-na-na-na-na. Someday we gonna rise up on that wheel, you know. Someday we gonna dance with those lions. Someday we gonna break free from these chains and keep on flying. Yeah. They telling me it's all good, just wait. We're gonna be there someday. Sipping on Jim Beam, okay. Gotta get these things one day. Till then, do another line, you know. Searching for that other high. Starboy, gotta steal this deal. Kill, I'm gonna be killed. I got a sack in my pocket. Count to gel and drop it. You know we gonna lose it someday. And we're trying to hold it all together. But the devil is too clever. So I'm gonna die, you gonna die, we gonna die someday. One day I said, someday we gonna rise up on the wheel. You know, someday we gonna dance with those lions. Someday we gonna break free from these chains and keep on flying. Yeah, come on.
Try to lie, but it ain't me. Try to look, but I can't see. Can't stop right now, cause I'm too far. And I can't keep going, cause it's too hard. In the day and the night, it's the same thing. On the field, on the block, it's the same game. On the real, if you stop, then there's no pain. But you can't feel pain, and there's no gain. Rearranging, you change it, it's all bad. And you try to maintain, but you fall back. And you crawl and you slip and you slide down. Wanna make it to the top, it'll start now. So I hold my soul and I die hard. All alone in the night, in the graveyard. Someday, one day, I'ma be free. And they won't try to kill me for being me. Hey, someday.
Someday we gonna rise up on that wheel, you know. Someday we gonna dance with those lions. And someday we gonna break free from these chains and keep on flying. Yeah. If you know how this is gonna see, it's not that easy. Don't stop, get it till it's done. From where you have begun, I said, keep on. Try a little harder to see everything you need to be. Believe in your dreams that you see when you're asleep. Someday we gonna rise up on that wheel, you know. Someday we gonna dance with those lions. Someday we gonna break free from these chains and keep on, keep on, keep on, keep on flying.
Right now, get it 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 right now. Come on, come on, get it right now, 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 get it right now. Come on, come on, get it right now, 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 get it right now. Come on, come on, get it right now, 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 get it right now
The gargoyle get the jam packed. Now it's time for Mocha, only Mr. Amtrak. Locomotive rolling through, you better stand back. I blow my air horn to fools on the damn track before I ransack. Horsepower high, multiple unit connection, dynamic braking. That's how we do it, stretching for miles. Etching smiles on these chairs and looks of frustration on faces on competitive heads. I'm lead-footed. Unless I get flooded, I mean weeded. If that's the case, I'm bad-headed. I get mudded with a cup of it that got sold. MCs can't put it down like PlayStation controls. Way station overload, heavyweight and snap the scale. Scorp, Sting, Mocha, only out prevail. What you expect? But a neck-breaking G-force, you get taken of course. Deep water seahorse. Left, right, front, back, top, bottom. This jam's packed, that's how we got 'em. Left, right, front, back, top, bottom. This jam's packed, that's how we got 'em.
Abstract, get the jam packed. Anthrax, scare, snare, kick, boom, back. Build the bass and side to side pancake. Damn straight, the homies low riders can't wait to bump the tape, CD, and the mini disc. It's going global, feel the blows of these adventurous MCs of the cavalry. To challenge me is hideous, to mention me in a negative way is tragedy. Complete assault and battery, you're just imaginary and lacking every skill it takes to pack the place. And I bury the hatchet if you make me the mic to rock it. That's why it's held. I'm bridging the classes gap, lyrical weld, the stage to blaze it. That's my purpose on. They gather like a Rome circus act. Earth is home.
Left, right, front, back, top, bottom. This jam's packed, that's how we got 'em. Left, right, front, back, top, bottom. This jam's packed, that's how we got 'em.
Purveyor Wonder keeps the jam packed. I play the pumpkin carver. My words will work harder. Street stages, studios, and mic on. Dive bomber gates of Orion. No one is safe from the claws of the scorpion. I'm warped on freons. What kind of trip am I on? 100% guaranteed to bleed. The Shark Tooth Beach is the land of the freed. So step barefoot neck to neck. You either walk off the plank or you die on the deck. My chainsaw gang ain't the same thing you come to know. Arches of cartilage are torn by the horns of the buffalo. Playing grazers, watch for the 8-leggers. My cycle's unbridled, my title's the hooded breath taker. You'll never even feel the pins to pinch you. But when you wake up in the morning, adrenaline's running in you. My aim will claim part of the fluid that runs to your brain. Let's run it again. My aim will drain some of the fluid that runs to your brain, where particles remain, blocking octane, and you'll die in vain. For mine in the vein, tied to a train track. Pain or slingshot over rim shots. That's what got him shot, Jack, and that's the game.
Left, right, front, back, top, bottom. This jam's packed, that's how we got 'em. Left, right, front, back, top, bottom. This jam's packed, that's how we got 'em.
Battle axe, get the jam packed.
Codename Scorpion, there it is there. Be alert and beware.
Ride till I die, and I love it. Yeah, and I love it. Let's go. We count hundreds on the table, 20s on the floor. Fresh out of work, get on the way with some more. And I love it. Yeah, and I love it. I got gangsters in the crowd, bad brawls on my shoulders. Parked outside and it's sitting on four. And I love it. Yeah, and I love it. Once again it's on. Yeah, I'm back in the booth. Them haters still lying, but your boy still the truth. I don't believe them, I need to see some proof. I ain't need 4 doors, so I went and caught the coupe. They try and be me, I'm just trying to be G. And everything comes to the light, you'll see. Them boys in the dark, baby, I just shine. I do it from the heart, homie, they just rhyme. Check your watch, yeah, it's a
first lick, yeah, I came right back. Fast forward the tape, just look at me now, and I never turn back. So mother, dad, Nike's on the ground, got my head to the sky. Smoke all day, Lord knows I stay on top, Lord knows I'm gon' try. I live for the moment, Lord knows I'm gon' die. And when I get to hell, Lord knows I'm gon' fry. Woke up this morning, so I'm still alive. 36 souls, I sold them all for 5. Hundreds on the table, 20s on the floor. Fresh out of work, on the way with some more. And I love it, and I love it. I got gangsters in the crowd, bad brawls on my shoulders. Walked outside and it's sitting on the floor. And I love it, and I love it. Been around the world, it's the same old cane. Been around the world, it's the same old thing. All the real dealers dead in jail. And if you're looking for me, homie, I'm in the ATL. You gotta play a high go, you can't cheat on life. Better drink a Red Bull, you can't sleep on life. I ain't trying to do you, I'm trying to do me. Last album did 2, I'm just trying to do 3. Yeah, fresh out the pot, yeah, the work was hard. Ride with the top down, so I'm closer to God. My P.O. telling me I need a 9 to 5, but I already got a job and that's staying alive. We had hundreds on the table, 20s on the floor. Fresh out of work, on the way with some more. And I love it, and I love it. I got gangsters in the crowd, bad brawls on my shoulders. Walked outside and it's sitting on the floor. And I love it, and I love it. Ride till I die. And I love it, and I love it. Ride till I die. And I love it, and I love it.
A two-step, a two-step. Now go to two-step, now go to two-step, now go to two-step, now go to two-step, now get jiggy with it, now get it jiggy with it, now get it jiggy with it, now get it jiggy with it. Now go to two-step, way two-step, now get two-step, like two-step, me get it.
You can actually hear me two-stepping while I'm recording this, you know that. This is the remix. You know my bankroll. Like this, hey, shades on, them Oakley to be exact. Now when I sing my song, I'ma bring them to the back. And you know, I'm the hottest round. So when I get them up to my room, I got them counting me down. Let's get it. Hey, two-step, two-step. Let's go. Now go to two-step, now go to two-step. Now watch me two-step, now watch me two-step. Now get jiggy with it, get jiggy with it, get jiggy with it, get jiggy with it.
Step it to the right, wipe me down, man. Step it to the left, put your stunner frame. By this time the world know what to do. It's going down, two-step and remix. Oh, what to do? I'm back one more again with another one. Two-step and get jiggy, baby, have some fun. They said it couldn't be done, I guess I got it cracking. Two-stepping, hey, baby. Now go and get it, shout it. The trust I climb it on. One hit wonder, but they wonder how I do it home. They got their steps wrong, they try to bite mine. Let's see what's happening when I count down one more time. Go
Jones reppin'. We turn the VIP into the do it section. You know the Drew selection. I'm blue VVS. We ain't gon' talk about the whips, you know the coupe selection. And I got everything that you want. I'm registered at DuPont. I get bread like croutons. I make dough like croissants. I'm Grey Poupon. Bentley, baby. What the is you want? That's how I'm living ladylike. Please call a car dealer, then not your paw dealer. Now we out in Vegas, poker face with the car dealer. The hard, going off the hard liquor. You better watch your sound when them foreign cars wheel. I'm back.
Hey, two-step, two-step. Let's go. Now go to two-step. Now go to two-step. Now watch me two-step. Now watch me two-step. Now get jiggy with it.
Official remix, official remix, official remix. I'm in my Cutlass on 2 shoes, breaking all the rules. 2 hitters, man, 2 fools, 2 hammers, man, 2 tubes. Shining like a chandelier, diamonds up in my ears. With a trophy on my neck, I dang near where it ain't. Too much candy on my ride, too many rumors I done died. Too many haters on this earth. All my life it ain't been searched. Started off real small, but now my mail is tiled. Had to walk before I crawled, I had my back against the wall. 2 faces, not us, 2 faces at once. Gritting and getting it in. Hustlers are us, never no pause. 2-step on your cheek. I see some bras, 2-stepping by they long side. These square suckers, they acting like they don't know. They don't know, they don't know, they don't know. You gotta find them though, send them though, break them down. Get the dough, get the dough, get the dough. I mean, get it, man. Rain, shine, sleet or snow. See, I manage with it. I get jiggy with it.
Two-step, two-step. Let's go. Now go to two-step. Now go to two-step. Now go to two-step. Now go to two-step. Now get jiggy with it. Get jiggy with it. Get jiggy with it. Get jiggy with it. Now go to two-step. Now go to two-step. Now watch me two-step. Now watch me two-step. Now get jiggy with it. Get jiggy with it. Get jiggy with it. Get jiggy with it.
When I was 8, I was rhyming, not backyard game plan. Watching Snoop anxiously awaiting for my chance, man. Hiding cocky with it, cause I know that I am, man. I'm going down in history like American Bandstand. I stay fresh to death like the neighborhood dope man. I stay on the top cause I keep coming with dope, man. You steady watching stealing, but there ain't no hope, man. You dealing with something bigger than the US Open. It ain't no joking. Fresh like fat laces and Dookie Roseanne. I keep on smoking. Young but I'm ready, so that means I'm stroking. If you pet me nowadays, girl, a dog is poking. Addicted to it, JD, say I got it bad. 18, nigga, making more than your dad. See, they think they doing it, but I'ma outdo them. If you know somebody like that,
you ain't bumping like I'm bumping. You ain't saying nothing, homie. You ain't fresh as I'm here. You ain't got it, you ain't got it. You don't keep it duggy like I keep it duggy, little buddy. You ain't fresh as I'm here.
You ain't big whipping, you ain't steady tipping. No girl kicking, homie. You ain't fresh as I'm here. Think you is, but you ain't. Get it crunk like me, but you can't.
Now every record that I make, I'm tryna get about the stove, man. Every car drop, I'm tryna have you saying, whoa, man. 4th album, come back, power like Rogaine. Records say Columbia, but I'm so, man. I stay on my grind, raking in that dough, man. From records to movies, now a TV show, man. Anything, give it to me, I'm gon' rep, man. Big house, big cars, what you expect, man? Just to get a glimpse, girls breaking their neck, man. Blinded by the light, glistening off the rep lane. Bow hot as ever, I ain't lost no step. Straight t-shirt, sneakers, I ain't tryna go prep. Like these little R&B groups that need my help. Wish they had my style, wish they had my rep. But oh no, it never happened like me, man. If you can't understand, this is what I'm saying.
You ain't ride, you ain't bumping like I'm bumping. You ain't saying nothing, homie. You ain't fresh as I'm here. You ain't got it, you ain't got it. You don't keep it duggy like I keep it duggy, little buddy. You ain't fresh as I'm here.
You ain't big whipping, you ain't steady tipping. No girl kicking, homie. You ain't fresh as I'm here. Think you is, but you ain't. Get it crunk like me, but you can't.
I got a spot in MIA to get away from the cold weather. Talk around town as if I'm with Sierra. valve fall off, nigga, that'll be never. I'm rich, yeah, I'm rich, I can do whatever. I get a kick out of shutting suckers down in the parking lot, especially when they tryna stunt, thinking they hot. All out the window talking loud like they running my block. That's when I come through, and all that stop. It ain't another youngin', keep it fresh like this, man. Every year, same time, come with them hits, man. Gotta make a girl fall out with a kiss, man. One listening is stuck, music just like quicksand. Older people say the little young dude sick, man. Young AI, we cool thick, man. Difference between me and you is you be brickland, and I ain't never ever done that before, no.
You ain't ride, you ain't bumpin' like I'm bumpin'. You ain't saying nothing, homie, you ain't fresh as I'm in. You ain't got it, you don't keep it duggy like I keep it duggy, little buddy. You ain't fresh as I'm in.
You ain't big whippin', you ain't steady tippin', no girl getting homie, you ain't fresh as I'm in. Yeah, but you ain't get it crunk like me, but you can't.
You ain't bumpin' like I'm bumpin'. You ain't saying nothing, homie, you ain't fresh as I'm in. You ain't got it, you don't keep it duggy like I keep it duggy, little buddy. You ain't fresh as I'm in.
You ain't big whippin', you ain't steady tippin', no girl getting homie, you ain't fresh as I'm in. Yeah.
Boss, Flow Rider, Pobo Entertainment. Like I said, we the best. APT, millions, every day, runners, E-Class.
That's why I be on point. I'm never procrastinating. You better be dodging Satan. That pussy nigga be hating. Want this cake and eat it too, or do you greasy like bacon? Everyday money chasing. I'm so in love with the fragrance. So what? I'm a little impatient, but dope man ain't got no patience. Boy, I feel like I'm racing before I become a raisin. One strippers hotter than Cajun. My deli be in rotation. A daily birthday occasion. I'm rarely off of vacation. I'm barely owning the nation. Nelly dollars the ranking.
You on fire. Like I said, we the best. It's time to bust down this birthday cake, baby. We talking millions. Khaled, runners, E-Class, Popo Entertainment, running the game, running the streets. Flow Rider, let's get some millions, homie. Yeah.
Let's go. Yeah. For those of you that wanna know what we're all about, it's like this, y'all. This is 10% luck, 20% skill, 15% concentrated power of will, 5% pleasure, 50% pain, and 100% reason to remember the name. He doesn't need his name up in lights, he just wants to be heard, whether it's the beat or the mic. He feels so unlike everybody else, alone, in spite of the fact that some people still think that they know him. But fuck him, he knows the code. It's not about the salary, it's all about reality and making some noise, making a story, making sure his click stays up. That means when he puts it down, Tox picking it up. Let's go.
Who the hell is he anyway? He never really talks much, never concerned with status, but still leaving him starstruck. Humble through opportunities given despite the fact that many misjudge him cause he makes a living from writing raps. Put it together himself, got a picture connects, never asking for someone's help or to get some respect. He's only focused on what he wrote, his will is beyond reach, and now it all unfolds, the skill of an artist.
This is 20% skill, 80% beer, be 100% clear, cause Ryu was ill. Who would've thought he'd be the one that set the West in flames? And I heard him wreck it with the crystal method, name of the game. Came back, dropped Megadeth, took him to church. I like Bleach, man. Ryu had the stupidest verse, this dude is the truth. Now everybody giving them guest spots and stocks through the roof. I heard he fucking with that stock.
This is 10% luck, 20% skill, 15% concentrated power of will, 5% pleasure, 50% pain, and 100% reason to remember the name.
They call him Ryu, he's sick and he's spitting fire. And Mike got him out the dryer, he's hot. Found him in Fort Minor with top, but a fucking nihilist porcupine. He's a prick, he's a cop. The type women wanna be within rappers, hope he gets shot. 8 years in the making, patiently waiting to blow. Now the record with Shinoda's taking over the globe. He's got a partner in crime, his shit is equally dope. You won't believe the kind of shit that comes out of this kid's throat.
He's not your everyday on the block. He knows how to work with what he's got, making his way to the top. He often gets a comment on his name. People keep asking him, was it given that birth or does it stand for an acronym? No, he's living proof. Let him rock in the booth. He'll get you buzzing quicker than a shot of vodka with juice. Him and his crew are known around as one of the best, dedicated to what they do and give 100%.
Forget Mike, nobody really knows how or why he works so hard. It seems like he's never got time because he writes every note and he writes every line. And I've seen him at work when that light goes on in his mind. It's like a design is written in his head every time before he even touches a key or speaks in a rhyme. And those motherfuckers he runs with, the kids that he signed, ridiculous, without even trying. How do they do it? This is 10% luck, 20% skill, 15% concentrated power of will, 5% pleasure, 50% pain, and 100% reason to remember the name. This is 10% luck, 20% skill, 15% concentrated power of will, 5% pleasure, 50% pain, and 100% reason to remember the name. Yeah. Fort Minor, M. Shinoda, styles of beyond. Ryu, Talk Beer, Machine Shop.
I can go vertical and start. Hey, hold up. No. Oh. Come on. Crank it. Come on. Oh. Got Cartier brain coming up my eye. Cartier frame. You look up at my face and tell they wood grain. Be amazed, they be like, oh, they can see it from the bar, see the way it glows. Yeah, them things twinkle in the light, right? I don't know, I just twinkle in the limelight. Gotta share the same color as a can of Sprite. Sipping on the XO, got me feeling right. I've been living my whole life pippin'. You never kept me slipping with y'all women. Scrap me chillin', I stay on the grind. It's a hard life we living, I stay with me now. Got Cartier frame covering up my eye. 26 inches in between my thighs. Not in my pocket, man, elite 3 grand. Diamonds on my neck and in my hand. I'ma get money, or grind like hell. When I'm short on my cheese, I'ma crank up the scale. Oh yeah, oh yeah, I'ma crank up the scale. Oh yeah, oh yeah, I'ma crank up the scale.
I ain't gotta hit these streets no more. Chris 15, 10, 24 show. Work the same number 4 times every week. 20 times 4 every week. Getting G, Cartier shade with the gator cut wood. Bought a footwear, damn young do it. Never in Atlanta, now they calling me in Europe. Every day I'm hustling, diamonds up against the wood. Boy fresh, dressed in red monkey clothes. Gotta stay fresh for you red monkey. Whoa, 26 inches in tall, like whoa. The cameraman, I'm a damn show. Shower capping out, you already know. Round with the squeezing money out of. I'ma get money, yeah, I grind like hell. Rubber band around my money like a damn player.
Got Cartier frame covering up my eye. 26 inches in between my thighs. Not in my pocket, man, elite 3 grand. Diamonds on my neck and in my hand. I'ma get money, or grind like hell. When I'm short on my cheese, I'ma crank up the scale. Oh yeah, oh yeah, I'ma crank up the scale. Oh yeah, oh yeah, I'ma crank up the scale.
Slugged out grill. They say that hustler that boy worth a few mil. He's sitting at the bar tearing up $100 bills. That's his cow pocked in the front door on them big wheels. He ain't never been a punk. Booger sugar pusher. Like a state trooper. I'm living for the moment. I ain't living for the future. My dudes will bring it to you. Bring the noise like a tuba. Crack your peanut shell. Run up on you with the roof. Smoke like a hippie. Drink like a pirate. Wrist real brisk. Haters don't like jack of all trades. Gotta get my tips. Manipulate your bra. Put your chick on Craigslist. Traffic, I'm in and out. Got work when it's a drought. Don't take the main street. Take the under route. Sucker, use your head. You heard what I said. I'm getting corporal tunnel while I'm counting all this bread.
Got Cartier frame covering up my eye. 26 inches in between my thighs. Not in my pocket, man, elite 3 grand. Diamonds on my neck and in my hand. I'ma get money, or grind like hell. When I'm short on my cheese, I'ma crank up the scale. Oh yeah, oh yeah, I'ma crank up the scale. Oh yeah, oh yeah, I'ma crank up the scale. Oh.
But I party like a rock star. I'm flying down 20, looking good in my hot car. You know them hoes be at my show, grabbing where my chain go. Trying to rap my hoe my pants, but this hoe won't
What you need to do is be thankful for the life you got, you know what I'm saying? Stop looking at what you ain't got, start being thankful for what you do got. Let's get it to him, baby girl. Hey. That's right.
And then you see we're gonna go far, 'cause everyone knows who you are. So live your life. You steady chasing that big car, just live your life. Ain't got no time for no haters, just live your life. Don't tell them where it'll take ya, just live your life. 'Cause I'm a paper chaser, just living my life. My life, my life, my life, just living my life. My life, my life, my life, just living my life.
Never mind what haters say, ignore them till they fade away. Amazing they ungrateful after all the game I gave away. Safe to say I paved the way for you cats to get paid today. Still be wasting days away now had I never saved the day. Consider them my protege, how much I think they should pay. Instead of being gracious, they violate in a major way. I never been a hater, still I love them in a crazy way. Some say they sold the yeah, you know they couldn't get work on Labor Day. It ain't that black and white, it has an area that's shaded gray. I'm west side anyway, even if I left today and stayed away. Some move away to make a way, not move away 'cause they afraid. I brought back to the hood, and all you ever did was take away. I pray for patience, but they make me wanna melt they face away. Like I once made them spray, now I can make them put the K's away. Been thugging all my life, can't say I don't deserve to take a break. You'd rather see me catch a case and watch my future fade away. Hey. That's right.
And then you see we're gonna go far, 'cause everyone knows who you are. So live your life. You steady chasing that big car, just live your life. Ain't got no time for no haters, just live your life. Don't tell them where it'll take ya, just live your life. 'Cause I'm a paper chaser, just living my
I'm the
life.
opposite of moderate, immaculately polished with the spirit of a hustler and the swagger of a college kid. Allergic to the counterfeit, impartial to the politics, articulate, but still a grab a nigga by the collar quick. Whoever having problems with their record sales, just holler till. If that don't work and all else fails, then turn around and follow till. I got love for the game, but hey, I'm not in love with all of it. Could do without the fame, and rappers nowadays are comedy. The hooting and the hollering, back and forth with the arguing. Where you from, who you know, what you making, what kind of car you in. Seems as though you lost sight of what's important when depositing the checks into your bank account and you up out of poverty. Your values is in disarray, prioritizing horribly. Unhappy with the riches 'cause you're piss poor morally. Ignoring all prior advice and forewarning, and we mighty full of ourselves all of a sudden, aren't we?
And then you see we're gonna go far, 'cause everyone knows who you are. So live your life. You steady chasing that big car, just live your life. Ain't got no time for no haters, just live your life. Don't tell them where it'll take ya, just live your life. 'Cause I'm a paper chaser, just living my life. My life, my life, my life, just living my life. My life, my life, my life. This need to be.
Here we go again. Here we go. Ghettoville, USA. You know I go by the name Nitty, right? I gotta introduce y'all another motherfucker at my squad, right? Who is this nigga, man? This nigga go by the name of Jock. He resides in College Park, right? College Park, CP. But for right now, what we gotta do for y'all? What we gonna do? We gotta give y'all a hit, huh?
Niggas in my face, damn near every day. Ask a million questions like Jock, where you stay? Tell them College Park, where they chop cars. Hit 20 grand, spend a grand at the bar. Just about his own, J's on my feet. I'm on that Patron, so get like me. 69 Cutlass with the bucket seats. Beat in my trunk, bought it just for the freaks. Catch me in the hood, posted at the stove. Pistol in my lap on the phone counting dough. If your girl choose, let her do a thing. Just like a mama, nice ass night brain. Everybody love me, I'm so fly. Nigga throw the deuces every time I ride by. I know you wonder why, I'm so cool. Don't ask me, just do what you do. Meet me in the trap, it's going down. Meet me in the mall, it's going down. Meet me in the club, it's going down. Anywhere you meet me, guaranteed to go down. Meet me in the trap, it's going down. Meet me in the mall, it's going down. Meet me in the club, it's going down. Anywhere you meet me, guaranteed to go down. Verse number 2, do the damn thing. Cubes on my neck, pocket full of bent frames. When I'm in the mall, hoes just pause. I pop a few tags, give me that on the wall. Time to flip the work, make the block bump. Boys in the hood, call me Black Donald Trump. Dope boy magic, 7 days a week. Number 1 record, longest nitty on the beat. Who I think they like me, better yet I know. Lights, camera, action when I walk through the door. Niggas know my crew, we certified stars. Belly in the front, about 35 cars. Bitches in the back, black beamer coops. Girls liking girls, time to recruit. If you got a problem, say it to my face. We can knuckle up anytime, any place. Meet me in the trap, it's going down. Meet me in the mall, it's going down. Meet me in the club, it's going down. Anywhere you meet me, guaranteed to go down. Meet me in the trap, it's going down. Meet me in the mall, it's going down. Meet me in the club, it's going down. Anywhere you meet me, guaranteed to go down. Time to set it all, let these niggas know. Have you ever seen a Chevy with the butterfly door? I ride real slow, no need to speed. Gotta make sure you see the buttons on my feet. Feds on my trail, but they don't think I know. I keep my hands clean, cause I never touch dope. Every time I see them, look them in their eyes. Ask me how I know, it's me, surprise. Put it in the air, rip where you stay. Take a step back, blow the cushion they face. Sudden is a habit, let them see the carrots. I'ma make it rain, nigga, I ain't scared to share. Meet me in the trap, it's going down. Meet me in the mall, it's going down. Meet me in the club, it's going down. Anywhere you meet me, guaranteed to go down. Meet me in the trap, it's going down. Meet me in the mall, it's going down. Meet me in the club, it's going down. Anywhere you meet me, guaranteed to go down.
Young John, Nitty strikes again. It's a Nitty beat. Playmaker, so deaf, motherfucker.
Hey, let me kick it to you right quick, man. Not on some gang issues, man, on some real issues. Anybody done been through the same thing, I'm sure you feel the same way. Big Phil, it's for you, pimpin'.
I've been traveling on this road too long. Just trying to find my way back home. The old me is dead and gone, dead and gone. And I've been traveling on this road too long. Just trying to find my way back home. The old me is dead and gone, dead and gone.
Never had one of them days, wish you would've stayed home. Running to a group, cause who getting their hate on. You walk by, they get wrong. You reply, then it should get blown way out of proportion. Way past discussion, just you against them, pick one in Russia. Figure you'll get jumped here, that's next. They don't wanna stop there, now they bustin'. Now you gushing. Ambulance rushing you to the hospital with a bad concussion. Plus you hit 4 times, bullet hit your spine. Paralyzed way down, now you wheelchair bound. Never mind that, now you lucky to be alive. Just think it all started, you fussing with 3 guys. Now your pride in the way, but your pride is the way you can fuck around, get shot, die in the day. Nigga die every day, all over boom. Money, dice games, ordinary hood and shit. Could this be cause of hip-hop music? Or did the ones with the good sense not use it? Usually, don't know what to do when they back against the wall, so they just start shooting. For red or for blue or for blow, I guess. From Bankhead up to your project. No more stress, now I'm straight. Now I get it, now I take time to think before I make mistakes, just for my family's sake. That part of me left yesterday. The heart of me is strong today. No regrets, I'm blessed to say. The old me dead and gone away.
I've been traveling on this road too long. Just trying to find my way back home. The old me is dead and gone, dead and
been scared. I lived through tragic situations, could've been dead. Looking back at it, most of that this shit didn't even have to happen. But you don't think about it when you're out there trapping in apartments, hanging, smoking and rapping it. Thought this shit, next thing you know, we capping, get locked up, then didn't even get mad. Now I think about damn, what a life I had. Most of that shit look back, just laugh. Some shit still look back, get sad. Maybe my homeboy still be around, had a knife hit the nigga in the mouth that time. I won that fight, I lost that war. I can still see my nigga walking out that door. Who'da thought I'd never see for line no more? Got enough dead homies, I don't want no more. Cost a nigga his jaw, cost me more. I done took that, but now for sure. Now think before I risk my life. Take them chances to get my strike. A nigga put his hands on me, alright. Otherwise stand there talk this shit all night. Cause I hit you and you sue me. I shoot you, get locked up, who me? No more straight, now I'm straight. Now I get it, now I take time to think before I make mistakes, just for my family's sake. That part of me left yesterday, the heart of me is strong today. No regrets, I'm blessed to say the old me dead and gone away.
I've been traveling on this road too long. Just trying to find my way back home. The old me is dead and gone, dead and gone. And I've been traveling on this road too long. Just trying to find my way back home. The old me is dead and gone, dead and gone. I turn my head to the east, I don't see nobody by my side. I turn my head to the west, still nobody inside. So I turn my head to the north, swallow that pill that they call pride. That old me's dead and gone, but that new me'll be alright. I turn my head to the east, I don't see nobody by my side. I turn my head to the west, still nobody inside. So I turn my head to the north, swallow that pill that they call pride. That old me's dead and gone, but that new me'll be alright. Cause I've been traveling on this road too long. Just trying to find my way back home. The old me is dead and gone, dead and gone. And I've been traveling on this road too long. Just trying to find my way back home. The old me is dead and gone, dead and gone. Yeah.
Is in full control right now. He's real serious.
Big State Mama, you busy?
She moves her body like a cyclone, and she makes me wanna do it all night long. Going hard when they turn the spotlights on, because she moves her body like a cyclone, just like a cyclone.
Shaking that rumpa, and oh, you ain't know she get lower than a muffler. Either with a girlfriend, show stopping with a hustler. The way she move her body, she might see the Maserati. She wanna put it on me, trying to show me her tsunami. She make it hard to copy, always tight and never sloppy. And got her entourage and her own paparazzi. Now that she go again, riding through the stormy weather, you better button up if you wanna go get her. Cause it is what it is, everybody wanna love her. But when she pop it, boy, you better run for cover.
She moves her body like a cyclone, and she makes me wanna do it all night long. Going hard when they turn the spotlights on, because she moves her body like a cyclone, just like a cyclone. She moves her body like a cyclone, and she makes me wanna do it all night long. Going hard when they turn the spotlights on, because she moves her body like a cyclone, a mighty cyclone.
When she break them boys off a tycoon, gotta get that fatty like a boss tycoon.
She moves her body like a cyclone, and she makes me wanna do it all night long. Going hard when they turn the spotlights on, because she moves her body like a cyclone, just like a cyclone. She moves her body like a cyclone, and she makes me wanna do it all night long. Going hard when they turn the spotlights on, because she moves her body like a cyclone, a mighty cyclone.
STL dirty, I'm like Magic to Kareem, man, you tell me I ain't worthy. I ain't speaking about a jersey, I'm speaking about income. Get your head out, Elizabeth, here come the big one. I put more money in the community than you got in your budget. I want my put your advance to the toilet, then flush it. My last stance be a stance of a General Custard. I hot dog cause I can, I got the cheese and mustard. I got the stats of a Hall of Fame in just 2 records. That's why I'm back up at the Super Bowl with Julius Peppers. I got that can't stop, won't stop in my veins. That's why they can't stop, won't stop screaming the name. Nelly, Nelly. Go tell a friend to tell a friend. I'ma keep the same grin whether I lose or win. Up or down 10, I'ma fight to the end. Let's go.
Ain't no way they can stop me now, Daddy, cause I'm on my way. I can feel my ring coming. It's the blood of a champion pumping deep inside my veins. Too much pride to be running. I'ma get what I can and more, even if my blood, my sweat, and my tears don't mean nothing. It's the heart of a champion. It's the heart of it's the heart of
first round, signing on his profile, playing for his hometown, repping for the home crowd. Bumper like Michael Red. Tell him again, it's bumper like Michael Red. Hear what I said? The MVP of the game, intensity still the same. I'm shooting out from my ring with Peyton Manning to aim. Can't stop if it's on, so they result to just hacking. So that's 3 of us now, me, AI, and Shaqin'. Come and look to the eyes, I say, cover man with more heart than Hallmark on Valentine's Day. I'm the one that you been raving about, like Ray Lewis. I think you ought to go to change your route, cause you don't know if I'm blitzing or if I'm sitting and reading, waiting for you to go a trip, drop back and throw up a pick, man.
Ain't no way they can do, 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 ain't no way they can stop me now, Daddy, cause I'm on my way. I can feel my ring coming. It's the blood of a champion pumping deep inside my veins. Too much pride to be running. I'ma get what I can and more, even if my blood, my sweat, and my tears don't mean nothing. It's the heart of a champion. It's the heart of a, it's the heart of a.
It's like a big time decision made on how I can twerk it. If hard work pays off the easy work, it's worthless. My work habit ain't no habit, man. I do it on purpose. I push myself to the limit, so my talent is surface. So now it's curtains and drapes on anybody who hates, disliking what I'm reciting, biting what I've been writing. Going on every height, trying to make you remember me like you remember the Titans. Cause I'm a warrior. My daddy was a soldier, a Vietnam vet. A little dirty, I thought I told ya. I'm supposed to whip up your town and test the roasters. Like